Running is easy. Or is it? Statistics show that 60 to 80% of runners have experienced injuries due largely to their improper running form. Introducing One Coach, a lightweight wearable that precisely captures the movements of the body while running. With One Coach, for the first time, runners are provided with an all-around solution to improve their running as well as reduce injuries. Before running workouts, One Coach assesses your overall body condition, including knee joint stability, core muscle strength, and balance control. Now ready to run?
You are leaning too much. Straighten your upper body a little bit.
While you run, One Coach also keeps track of your pelvic rotation, landing posture, forerake angle, and ground reaction force. During running, it provides instant voice feedback for you to correct your form like a real coach. One Coach has proven personalized training modules preloaded from Runner's Lab based on data collected and analyzed from over 70 million runners over 35 years. These training programs aimed at improving muscle strength and joint stability help you adjust your running form and improve your overall performance. During training, One Coach also monitors the repetitions and quality of each workout. Over time, you will learn to control your body like never before and see a change in yourself. One Coach. Make running easy and enjoyable.